Hey everybody, this is Mark with Apple Tech Toy. In this video, I want to show you my camera rig that we use for YouTube videos. So my camera of choice is the Red Scarlet with Mysterium X sensor. So this shoots in 5K, but we prefer to stick it in 4K. It does crop in a little bit, but 5K is something we don't need. It does run off of Red Mini Megs, and I only have a 120 gigabyte drive, but that's enough, about an hour recording for me. For my monitor, I am using the Atomos Shogun Flame. I prefer not to use Red's monitor with their LEMO connector because the Atomos does give me better options with focus peaking and that sort of stuff. And I like to keep it stripped down and a smaller package when we're making videos. This is a 4K recorder as well, but I'm only using it for a monitor because it works awesome for that as well. For audio, we do have a wooden camera A-box with 2 XLR ports. That's how we get all of our audio. And it's connected to a Red Pro top plate, and there's a handle on top of that. And the cables from the A-box go to the front. These are 2 bounced connectors, so we can convert our 3.5mm audio into full XLR. And for batteries, we're using V-mount. That's pretty much the only way to power this camera. They're huge. But that's one thing to expect when you're using this type of camera, which is why we don't always use it. I prefer Watson Pro V-mount batteries. I prefer V-mount. You can watch our video about that, but this one's cheap and it lasts about an hour and a half. And my lens of choice is obviously the Sigma 18-35. This is using a Canon mount, and this is just an absolutely beautiful lens. I love this. Everybody uses it, and that 1-point aperture is just amazing. So there you go. That is our basic setup for YouTube production with our Red camera. Again, I didn't make this video just to brag about what I use or make you think you need that sort of equipment when you're making your own videos. I just wanted to make a video showing what I use and give some insight to those who were curious. But there you go. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching as always. Hit the subscribe button. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.